An engineer and an architect are going to visit a single-story house to propose renovation or extension to existing premises.
The gate is not locked?
Maybe the owner is expecting us. Let's go in.
Hello, anyone around? We are professional engineer and architect and are here to see your house.
Waited for a reply, but it was death silence. The architect called on the owner's mobile, but no one answered. They sat down on 2 stools along the wall of the balcony. Suddenly, a strong hose of water came down overhead, spraying cleaning the balcony wall. The 2 professionals are fairly drenched and jumped out of the stools.
Who is that washing? We are here.
But the hose of water continued to spray like someone doing the regular cleaning.
The old lady stays alone. It must be her, and she is quite deaf when I spoke to her on the phone.
After a few minutes, the cleaning stopped and the door opened, revealing an old lady.
Is someone here? I can feel you.
Feel?
The old lady is blind and skinny, but has a big smile on her wrinkled face.
Auntie, I am May, the engineer, coming to see your house. This is my friend, an architect.
She said, almost shouting at the top of her voice.
Come on in. I was washing the walls from the attic window. Are you wet?
Yes. Can we have a towel?
The old lady was apologetic and went into the kitchen to get 2 towels. Then they walked around the house and understood what the old lady had in mind. Her house is tiny with a floor area of only 100 square meters, and there is nothing much to extend.
Miss Thin, your house is just the right size and is pretty well kept. Maybe you can consider new coat paint, new windows, gate and doors.
You can call me Auntie. Need not be so formal. I understand you, but changing the windows, gate and doors will be difficult for me as I am blind and need to learn how to use them.
Maybe doing new drains and pipings will be good to make sure all fittings give no problem.
Yes, you are right. The old drain and pipes are like me and need to be changed to run smoothly. How much will that be?
About $8,000 with a coat of paint, new drains and pipes, but no new door, windows and gate.
Can you try to get more affordable contractors, as I'm old and childless? By the way, what is your consultant fees?
Mine is $500.
Mine is $10,000.
The engineer opened her eyes widely and stared at the architect.
Sorry, I say wrongly, it should be $1,000.
The old lady was smiling ear to ear and nodded her head in approval.
Both of you are very kind and compassionate people. Thank you for helping old Auntie to meet low budget and save me from worrying.
The 2 professionals left the house and the architect could not hold his questions anymore.
Why did you charge so cheaply on your fees?
Use your heart and look at her. Your fees of $1,000 make her happy for months and feel life full of gratitude. As professionals, we can help others to live life full of happiness and gratitude.
The architect was at a loss for words.